হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকে আমরা যে জিনিসটা নিয়ে আলোচনা করব, যে টপিকটা নিয়ে আমরা ডিসকাস করব, সেটা হলো মোশন অফ প্রজেক্টাইল। আমার এই ভিডিওটা যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে আপনারা অবশ্যই লাইক করবেন এবং শেয়ার করবেন এবং আমার চ্যানেলটাকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন আর ভিডিওটা কোনো স্কিপ না করে পুরোটা দেখবেন। মোশন অফ প্রজেক্টাইল, there is x-axis, y-axis. This is the motion of the body. This portion is covered. This is the initial velocity u. Angle is theta. There is u have two component. Here it is u cos theta, horizontal component, and vertical component is the u sin theta. X-axis and y-axis, this is the projectile motion we throw object. This is the maximum height h. A is the maximum height position and this position is the B, is the ending position. The range, the horizontal range between this position to this position is r. The initial velocity is u. The angle you thrown this object, this is theta. U, there is two component. One is horizontal component u cos theta, another is the u sin theta, that is the vertical component. Now we have to find out the maximum height of this projectile motion. How can we find out the maximum height? Maximum height, let h. We know that at the maximum height, the velocity at that point will become 0. So velocity v equal to let 0, and your formula is the v square is equal to u square minus 2g h. H is the maximum height. V is equal to here 0. U means this is the vertical component, is goes to the vertical direction, that is you have to take u sin theta whole square minus 2gh. So u square sin square theta is equal to 2gh and h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. That is your maximum height in the projectile. Maximum height in the projectile h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. Next, time to flight. How much time is required to reach from this position to this position? You throw this object at this position and then it will be reached at the position B. So in that case, this height or the h will become 0. Because of that, your starting position is this and your ending position is this one. So height will become 0. So in the case of that, your h will become 0. Then what is your formula? We know that h is equal to u sin theta into t minus half g t square. What is t? T means maximum time to flight. How much time is required to flight? Means how much time is required to reach the object from this position to this position. Here h is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to u sin theta into t minus half g t square. You have to find out the value of t. Now you take this one, u sin theta into t is equal to half g t square. So t1 cancel, that is u sin theta is equal to half g into t. So from here you have to get the value of t, 2 u sin theta by g. 2 is multiplied in this side, so you will get the time t is equal to 2u sin theta by g. Now we have to find out the horizontal range. Horizontal range, it is r. What is the value of r? Here r is equal to distance is equal to velocity u cos theta, that is this velocity into time. How much time is required? T. You get what is the value of t? U cos theta into what is the value of t? You already get 2 sin theta by what? 2 sin theta into u by g. That is you already get. That is 2 t is equal to 2u sin theta by g. Already we are getting t is equal to. Now put the value of the t in here. 2u sin theta by g. This u into u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g. This u square by g sin 2 theta. So horizontal range r is equal to u square by g sin 2 theta. That is your horizontal range. So we get the horizontal range r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. If we find out the maximum horizontal range, in that case you have to take that sin 2 theta will become maximum. In which case sin 2 theta will become maximum? Sin 2 theta you must be equal to 1. That means sin 90 degree. That is 2 theta is equal to 90 degree. That means theta is equal to 45 degree. So at the angle 45 degree you will get the maximum range, and this value of the maximum range is equal to r maximum is equal to u square by g. You have to remember this angle. At this angle you will get the maximum range. That's all for today. নোটসের যে লিঙ্ক আমরা ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে আমি দিয়ে দেবো, আপনারা ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে নোটসের লিঙ্ক পেয়ে যাবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।